म्हणजे जे पुनवेक चंद्र पृथ्वीच्या सगळ्यात लागीं येता ऑर्बिटान पेरिजी म्हणून एक प्लेस आसता स्पॉट आसता ते स्पॉटाक टच जाता तेन्ना तो फुलमून किंवा ती पुनव सुपरमून म्हणटात. सुपरमुनाची स्पेशलिटी अशी आसता की टेक्निकली आमी कॅल्कुलेट केले जाल्यार सुपरमून प्रत्येक पुनवे पेक्षा 14 पटींनी व्हडलो आनी 30% ब्रायटर दिसता. सो हाका खूब म्हत्व आसा आनी खूब लोकांक उत्सुकता आसा पळोवपाची. The blue moon. What is a blue moon? Just a figure of speech, nothing more than that. We say, when something happens, it's a very, in Europe, in Japan, many places in the world, they observed it blue. They observed it grey. Why was it? A simple reason. Science explains today that when earthquakes, when volcanoes happen, the volcanic ash and dust cover the atmosphere, greyish blue. So that is how maybe the term has come into the English language, blue moon. Why only blue? Why not purple moon or scarlet moon or something? That is why it is. It's got to do with the volcanic activity in Europe, Scandinavia, Japan and such. Okay. Now some facts we are there. You can just read them. A blue moon can only occur in a month which has 31 days, most probably. And be there. Micro moon is even rarer than a super moon. It mostly never happens. But super moon is at least it occurs 2-3 times. This time maximum 3 times it has happened. Okay. So see, this is how it is. The supermoon and the micromoon. Okay, perigee and the distance also fluctuates. That is how you see them bigger and smaller.
My name is Abhinav, and this has been a wonderful experience. We came the other day to see the Saturn as well from the telescopes, and for the kids, it's a very great learning experience, an opportunity to learn more about astronomy.
My name is Kiara, and I really liked seeing the moon and Saturn. It was a wonderful experience.
My name is Zarek and I seen the supermoon in Minecraft also.
So now there is no word called supermoon at all. That is another good news. It is all hocus pocus. There was an astrologer in US in 1979. He coined the word. Richard Knoll coined the word supermoon. So there is no word in science which is a supermoon. The name for the phenomena is a perigee syzygy. Okay, so what is the meaning of perigee? Perigee is when the moon comes very close. Okay, there are two phenomena which happen during the supermoon. One is that it comes close, and the second one is in line. Issi perigee is the technical and the astronomical name. There is nothing called supermoon in the scientific dictionary.
My name is Udit and I am here at the Panjim Public Observatory, and it's a very nice observatory. You all can also come here and see. They have programs almost every day, and yeah, I'm here today to see the blue supermoon, and yeah, it'll be a good experience for you also.
The full moon of August has more names. It is called the green moon, the Sturgeon moon, the corn moon, the barley moon, and so many things. The red moon, preparation for the winter, and the red Indians and the ethnic Americans are preparing to store all the things for the winter. Okay. Only when the moon is at the horizon, because it is comparable to the objects on the planet Earth, and because there is refraction happening, light is bending, that is why it looks bigger and redder, and it happens every day, not a month. Why doesn't the lunar eclipse happen every full moon and new moon? Simple reason. The sun and the earth are on the same plane, but the moon is not on the same plane. Okay, the earth is going around the sun like this, but the moon is going up and down. So what happens is, because of the moon is upside down, okay, the angle is tilted, the angle of the orbit is tilted. You can see that at 2 points, the orbits of the moon and the orbits of the solar system meet each other.
Hello, my name is Nilay, and this is my first time at the observatory here in Panjim. And I'd like to say it's a great experience to first, of course, connect with the community, and a great way for the youth to be exposed to, I'd say, the astronomy and the skies, and a great way to connect with the international community as well, of, not just your local surroundings and state, but more to do with the whole world and what they're experiencing. And I was not aware previously of such a great network and a great enthusiasm for astronomy in Goa previously, but after coming here, this was a great eye-opener, knowing that it's so well done and there's so many other people enthusiastic about it. So again, a great way to connect with the community, and a really good passion, like a science,
The moon landing is called the Sea of Tranquility. It is there. Today you will be able to see all these things. Try to identify the features on the moon. This is the Sea of Tranquility where the Apollo missions landed. Okay. And now we won't do a debate whether they landed. I believe they landed. Okay, wait. Then next is the Copernicus crater. It is a very prominent look there. You will see it on the moon today. Okay, wait for some time. The Copernicus crater is there. And the most famous thing on the moon is the Tycho crater, named after one scientist called Tycho. So what he did was he laid the foundations of the solar system movement. So after him, Tycho, inside the museum, everything is there, everything is explained. So after Tycho, the crater has been named, and it is a ray crater. We were the fourth nation to land a rover on the moon. First to land at the South Pole. And that makes sense. The North Pole, I mean on the visible side of the moon, we landed a lot of things, but those were mostly for competition and initially for a little of science. But the actual science of the moon is hidden at the South Pole. ऑगस्टाच्या पहिल्या तारखेकूय आणि निमाण्या तारखेक दोनूय फुल मून आयले, पुनव आयल्यो. सो एका कॅलेंडर म्हयन्यान जेन्ना दोन पुनव येतात ताका आमी ब्लू मून म्हणटात, दुसऱ्या पुनवेक आमी ब्लू मून म्हणटात. दोनूय फेनोमेना आज जाल्ले आसा. ह्या वर्सा 3 सुपर मून जाले, हो तातूंतलो एक. आणि लोकांक हे असले सगळे इव्हेंट्स येतात जे आमचे घडणुको जाता तेन्ना एस्ट्रोनॉमी, खगोलशास्त्र, आमच्या अंतराळा बद्दल खूबशी उत्सुकता येता आनी सगळे अशें पळोवंक येता. सो आज फक्त पणजे न्हय पण मडगांवां रवींद्र भवनान आमची दुसरी ऑब्झर्वेटरी जी आसा सावथ गोवा, आनी पर्वरी विद्या प्रबोधिनीन आमची आनी एक ऑब्झर्वेटरी आसा. सगळे कडेन लोक जमिल्ले आसात आनी टेलिस्कोपाच्यान चंद्राचो आस्वाद घेतात. अश्यो जेन्ना घडणुक्यो जातात तेन्ना सगळ्यांनी तांचे कडेन लक्ष दिवचें, कित्याक आमी ब्रह्मांडाचे भाग आसात. आनी आता विचार करचो सगळ्यांनी की आता हो चंद्र आमी चंद्रयान ऑलरेडी ताजेर धाडिल्ले आसा. सावथ पोलाक ते आसा आता ऑलरेडी, आपले काम करीत आसा, रिसर्च करीत आसा. आमचो भारत देश ह्या खगोलशास्त्राच्या मळार खूब फुडें पावला. आमी सगळ्या भारतीयांनी खूब उत्सुकतायेन आनी खूब उमळशिकेन ताजे कडेन आमी लक्ष दिवपाक जाय आनी इंट्रस्ट घेवपाक जाय.